Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make money with ChatGPT in 2023. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's a powerful AI language model that can generate human-like responses to text prompts. And when combined with Notion AI, it becomes an even more powerful tool for AI marketing. So, let's get started. What is ChatGPT? First, let's quickly go over what ChatGPT is. As I mentioned earlier, ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate human-like responses to text prompts. It's based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture and has been trained on a massive amount of data, making it one of the most advanced language models in the world. ChatGPT 4 is the latest version of ChatGPT and offers even more advanced capabilities. What is Notion AI? Now, let's talk about Notion AI. Notion AI is an AI-powered marketing automation tool that can help you streamline your marketing efforts. It can help you with everything from content creation to lead generation to customer engagement. When combined with ChatGPT, it becomes an even more powerful tool for AI marketing. How to use ChatGPT and Notion AI for AI marketing. So, how can you use ChatGPT and Notion AI to make money in 2023? Well, there are a few ways. First, you can use ChatGPT to generate content for your marketing campaigns. For example, you can use it to generate social media posts, blog articles, and even email newsletters. Not only will this save you time, but it will also help you create more engaging and personalized content for your audience. Second, you can use ChatGPT to generate leads for your business. For example, you can create a chatbot that uses ChatGPT to interact with potential customers and gather information about their needs and interests. This information can then be used to create targeted marketing campaigns that are more likely to convert. Finally, you can use ChatGPT and Notion AI to engage with your customers and provide them with personalized experiences. For example, you can create a chatbot that uses ChatGPT to provide customer support or answer frequently asked questions. This can help you build stronger relationships with your customers and increase customer loyalty. How to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. So, now that you know how to use ChatGPT and Notion AI for AI marketing, how can you actually make money with it? Well, there are a few ways. First, you can use it to save time and reduce costs. By automating your marketing efforts with ChatGPT and Notion AI, you can free up more time to focus on other areas of your business, such as product development or customer acquisition. Second, you can use it to increase your revenue. By creating more engaging and personalized content, generating more leads, and providing better customer experiences, you can increase your conversion rates and generate more revenue for your business. Finally, you can use it to create new revenue streams. For example, you can offer AI marketing services to other businesses. Or you can create and sell ChatGPT-powered chatbots or marketing automation tools. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can use ChatGPT 4 and Notion AI for AI marketing. One of the most popular ways to use ChatGPT 4 for AI marketing is to create chatbots. Chatbots can be used to provide customer support, answer common questions, and even help customers make purchases. To create a chatbot with ChatGPT 4, you'll need to train the model with a dataset of conversations that are relevant to your business. You can then use this trained model to create a chatbot that can communicate with customers in a natural, human-like way. Notion AI can also be used for AI marketing in a number of ways. One of the most popular ways is to use it for content creation. Notion AI can generate content ideas, write articles, and even create social media posts. To use Notion AI for content creation, you'll need to provide it with some basic information about your business, such as your target audience and the type of content you want to create. Notion AI will then use this information to generate content that is tailored to your business. Another way to use Notion AI for AI marketing is to analyze customer data. By analyzing customer data, you can gain insights into customer behavior and preferences, which can help you create more targeted marketing campaigns. To analyze customer data with Notion AI, you'll need to provide it with a dataset of customer information. Notion AI will then use machine learning algorithms to analyze this data and provide insights that can help you improve your marketing campaigns. Finally, let's talk about how to make money with ChatGPT 4 and Notion AI in 2023. There are several ways you can make money with ChatGPT 4 and Notion AI. One of the most popular ways is to offer AI marketing services to other businesses. You can use ChatGPT 4 and Notion AI to create chatbots, generate content, and analyze customer data for other businesses. You can then charge these businesses for your services, either on a one-time or ongoing basis. Another way to make money with ChatGPT 4 and Notion AI is to create and sell AI-powered products. For example, you could create a chatbot platform that other businesses can use to provide customer support or generate leads. Overall, ChatGPT 4 and Notion AI are powerful tools that can be used to improve your marketing efforts and make money in 2023. With the right strategy and approach, you can leverage these technologies to take your business to the next level.